All right, before we dive into the world of finance, I've got a little secret for you. If you want a special discount or some exclusive goodies, just click the link in the description below. Don't miss out. So you're a corporate pro and you want to level up your finance game? Maybe you're eyeing that promotion. Or you just want to finally understand what your finance department is actually talking about at meetings. Today, I'm giving you the inside scoop on the top financial institutes for corporate professionals. And don't worry, no boring lectures here. I'm talking about the places that make learning finance, well, almost fun. Let's start with the big one, the CFA Institute. Yeah, the Chartered Financial Analyst Program. It's like the Olympics of finance qualifications. The exams are tough, think less Netflix, more late-night coffee. But if you survive, recruiters basically chase you down the hallway. It's intense, but you'll walk out feeling like the James Bond of balance sheet. Next up, London Business School. These folks put the class in classrooms. Expect world-class professors, posh networking events, and maybe the odd glass of wine. Their finance programs are super practical, perfect for those who like learning by doing. Just, don't spill your coffee on the alumni directory. If you want global prestige, check out INSEAD. It's got campuses in France, Singapore, and Abu Dhabi, so you'll collect stamps on your passport and connections in your LinkedIn. The classes are fast-paced, full of energy, and, let's be honest, a little bit glamorous. On the more flexible side, there's the Corporate Finance Institute. Totally online, super accessible, and yes, you can learn in your pajamas. Their bite-sized courses are perfect for busy professionals. You'll finally understand what all those acronyms mean, and maybe even impress your boss at the next meeting. And if you want something with a British flavour, the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales, or ICAEW, is a classic. Think of it as the Hogwarts for finance wizards. The exams are tough, but the alumni network is pure gold. So if you want credibility, this one's for you. So whether you want prestige, flexibility, or just to stop pretending you know what EBITDA means, there's an institute out there for you. Alright, before you go, don't forget, click the link in the description for your special offer. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Level up your career, have a laugh along the way, and remember, finance doesn't have to be boring. Catch you in the next one.